Hi, let's talk about puppets again. Which type is easy to begin with in the classroom? That's where this video is all about. I'm Helen and I'm here for tips and issues around teaching with hand puppets. Sign up if you have one or planned to buy one. Which puppet is easy to use in the classroom? If you don't have a puppet yet, my tip for you would be shop around to see if you can find a sock puppet or make one yourself. A sock puppet is a great puppet to start with and try out if working with a puppet is for you. Even if you already have a puppet, a sock puppet is a great addition. I myself prefer a puppet with a movable mouth because I've noticed that the movement of the mouth makes children more easily participate in, for example, my language activity. I don't know if it's ever been researched or proven, but I see a difference in involvement. The response to this puppet is more lively than to this puppet or this one. A sock puppet is easy to play with and can be used in different situations. I give you some examples. The sock puppet can be that other little voice that yells, "No, I don't want that!" if the whole class yells, "Yeah!" The sock puppet can be the puppet children use to tell something they don't dare yet on their own.
Yeah! You did it! Yeah, you did it, girl!
The sock puppet can be used to act out a situation. Do you want to know more about sock puppets? Then also watch this video. It's one of my Dutch ones, but it has subtitles, so it's easy to follow. In my next video I will discuss the difference between a hand puppet as a toy and a hand puppet as a tool. So subscribe and stay tuned for new videos. Bye! Until the next time.